Ah, oh, that's him with some dosso. A Brian boy, I near hustle. I still only move.
I know Korea Simmons, some dosso. A Brian boy, enterprise alive and see we are moving. We are cruising. This is how it feels like to have enterprise life in your corner. They give solutions that make life easy every day. So now I can focus on my dreams.
Miss Moko to Kumitibia, enterprise life, when she share more. I don't know. Yeah, who do you move?
Live your best life with Enterprise Life with life solutions like Bloom, Family Income Security Plan, Boafopa, Yedie, Funeral Finance Plan Unlimited, and Annuity Prime.
Dream big with us. Enterprise, your advantage.
In fact, many cry. Me washroom now, it be an actual then 1 month every week, then 2-3 times my friend no matter what they answer.
No problem. I'll make sure I solve it once and for all. Where's the washroom?
That's what I said.
They check outside. But they have to change their toilet room. That is the problem. Madam, the problem has been solved. 89. You should fake test toilet room. A very soft, hygienic, organic, acrobatic.
I said it.
Yeah, me I make a volunteers. In the job. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2022 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz, where we promise to bring you a lot of exciting contests. In this third contest, we have Presby Senior High School, SUHUM, MFANTSIPIM School, and TECHIMAN Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Presby SHS SUHUM is represented by
Kokwe Chrysler Steve.
Mensa Norris Adam.
Okay. Presby Senior High School, how has your experience been at this year actually on the NSMQ?
Our experience has been good so far, by God's grace.
Okay, what should we expect from you for this contest?
We just expect that the favor of God would see us through this stage as well.
Okay, all the best. MFANTSIPIM is represented by
Lawrence Taylor.
Opoku Ronald.
Okay. MFANTSIPIM School, tell us about your experience.
Our experience has been good so far. And this contest, we are trusting God to give us a good and a victorious contest, as He is our banner in ages past and times to come.
Okay. That was a prayer in itself, so amen and best wishes to you. And then finally, we have TECHIMAN Senior High School. They are represented by
Kwatin Charles. Isifu Ahmed Baumia.
Okay. TECHIMAN Senior High School. TECHIMAN Senior High School is our seeded school. Tell us also about your experience.
Okay, so this is our first national competition,
Yes.
but our experience from the regionals was okay, and we are hoping for the best in this contest.
Okay, best wishes to you as well. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohineje, a lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Dano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Puma Drinks, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Studio HD, and YFM. This is a primetime production. Okay, to our schools. This contest will come to you in 5 rounds. We are going to start in round 1. And in this round, I would ask you questions to test your knowledge of concepts in biology, physics, mathematics, and chemistry. If a main question comes to your school, you have 30 seconds if it involves calculations, and if there are no calculations, 10 seconds. If you answer correctly, you'll be awarded 3 points. However, if your answer is incorrect, you forfeit that opportunity, and another school can take up your question as a bonus question. When they answer correctly, they would have 1 point. However, if their answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll start with PRESBY Senior High School, SUHUM. A preamble to all the schools. Find the acceleration of a particle whose position along a straight line varies with time t as given. Find the acceleration of a particle whose position along a straight line varies with time t as given. And listen to this carefully. PRESBY Senior High School, SUHUM. R of t equals a multiplying a fraction. This is the numerator of the fraction. 2 multiplying the expression t over t naught to the power 4 plus 3 multiplying the expression t over t naught to the power 3 minus 5 multiplying the expression t over t naught to the power 2. That's the numerator. This is the denominator. The expression t over t naught minus 1, where a and t naught are constants. I should take it again. R of t equals a, multiplying a fraction. This is the numerator of the fraction. T multiplying the expression t over t naught to the power 4, plus 3 multiplying the expression t over t naught to the power 3, minus 5 multiplying the expression t over t naught to the power 2. The denominator is t over t naught, the expression t over t naught, minus 1. A and t naught are constants. A bonus. Okay. MFANTSIPIM R of t equals a, multiplying a fraction. This is the numerator of the fraction. 3 multiplies the expression t over t naught to the power 3, plus the expression t over t naught to the power 2, minus 2 multiplying the expression t over t naught. The denominator is the expression t over t naught plus 1, where a and t naught are constants. Yes, Lawrence.
You have 2a.
No. A bonus. Okay. Techiman, R of t equals a over 12, multiplying the fraction, sorry. The numerator of the fraction is 2 multiplying the expression t over t naught to the power 4 plus 2 multiplying the expression t over t naught to the power 3 minus the expression t over t naught to the power 2 minus the expression t over t naught. That's the numerator. The denominator is the expression t over t naught plus 1. A and t naught are constants. If you have an answer, speak into your microphone.
Okay.
You've been bailed out, a bonus. Okay, so in this set of questions, you have to find the acceleration, the position along a straight line, varying with time t has been given. So to find the acceleration, you differentiate twice. And if you did that, PRESBY SHS, you come to A multiplying the expression 12 t over t naught plus 10. In MFANTSIPIM, we would have come to 6A. And then TECHIMAN Senior High School, we would have come to A multiplying the expression t over t naught. Okay. Let's go to shorter questions. PRESBY SHS. This is a preamble. Solve for x from the equation. Solve for x from the equation. PRESBY, log to the base 3 of x plus 2 log to the base x of 3 equals 3. Yes, Norris.
X equals plus 3.
That's not correct. No, actually, I'll give you 2 out of 3. Okay. MFANTSIPIM, log to the base 2 of x minus 3 log to the base x of 2 equals 2. Yes. Yes, Ronald.
X is equal to 1 on 2, or x is equal to 8.
That's correct. TECHIMAN SHS, log to the base 5 of x plus 3 log to the base x of 5 equals 4. Yes, you've been bailed out. Okay, okay, okay. So I'm going to allow it because your hand was up. Next time, if your hand is up, I haven't called, you can speak into the microphone. Okay, your answer.
So x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1.
No. Yes, MFANTSIPIM.
X is equal to 125 or x is equal to 5.
That's correct. So, PRESBY SHS, I gave you partial mark because your answer was incomplete. So x is 3 or 9. Okay. A preamble. Name the stage of cell cycle at which the following events occur. Name the stage of cell cycle at which the following events occur. PRESBY SHS. Centrosomes split and chromatids separate. Centrosomes split and chromatids separate. Yes. Speak. Your answer.
Anaphase.
That's correct. MFANTSIPIM. Pairing between homologous chromosomes. Pairing between homologous chromosomes. Lawrence.
Prophase 1 and prophase 2.
2 out of 3. TECHIMAN. Crossing over between homologous chromosomes. Crossing over between homologous chromosomes.
Prophase 1.
2 out of 3. So, MFANTSIPIM, specifically the zygoting stage of prophase 1 and TECHIMAN, the packeting stage of prophase 1. Okay. PRESBY Senior High School. The second ionization energy of calcium is 1140 kilojoules per mole. Clearly explain the meaning of this statement. Yes, Chrysler.
Okay, so this means that the amount of energy needed to remove 1 mole of an electron from the valence shell of the gaseous cation Ca+ to form the gaseous cation Ca2+ is 1,140 kilojoules per mole.
2 out of 3. MFANTSIPIM. Chlorine has a higher electronegativity value than bromine. Explain clearly the meaning of this statement. Lawrence.
Chlorine has a higher electronegativity value than bromine. This means that in a covalent bond where there is a shared pair or shared pairs of electrons, chlorine attracts these shared pairs of electrons to itself more strongly than bromine in a covalent bond. That's
correct. Techiman. The electron affinity of sulfur is minus 200 kilojoules per molar. Explain clearly the meaning of this statement. Yes.
The electron affinity of sulfur being minus 200 kilojoule per mole implies that the amount of energy released, the amount of energy required to add 1 mole of an electron to the valence shell of the sulfur atom is the negative 200 kilojoule.
Please repeat that answer clearly.
This implies that the quantity of energy involved in the addition of 1 mole of an electron to the valence shell of the sulfur atom in its gaseous state is the negative 200 kilojoules.
I'll give it. That's correct. And also, I'll come back to Presby's answer. I'll give it. I'll give the full mark. I was going to say I wanted them to be specific on the fact that the energy should be the minimum energy, but it's fine. I'll take it. So they can have 3 out of 3. A preamble. The half-life of a radioactive substance is 5 seconds. The half-life of a radioactive substance is 5 seconds. Presby, find the number of nuclei of the substance that remains in a sample after 10 seconds if the initial number in the sample is 8 times 10 to the power 18. Yes, Norris.
We have 2 times 10 exponent 18.
Yes, that's correct. MFANTSIPIM. Find the number of nuclei of the substance that remains in a sample after 15 seconds if the initial number in the sample is 6.4 times 10 to the power 15. Yes, Ronald.
8.0 times 10 exponent 14.
That's correct. TECHIMAN SHS. Find the time it takes the number of nuclei of the substance in a sample to decrease from 9.6 times 10 to the power 10 to 3.0 times 10 to the power 9. Yes, Baumia.
25 seconds.
That's correct. A preamble. Solve the compound linear inequality. Solve the compound linear inequality. Presby SHS. 12 minus 2x less than x plus 15 less than 24 minus 2x.
We have x to be such that x is less than 3 and x is greater than -1.
No. Techiman.
Okay. X is less than -1 or x is greater than +3.
No. MFANTSIPIM -15 plus x less than 2x minus 9 less than x plus 3. Yes, Ronald.
We have -6 less than x less than 12.
That's correct. Techiman. 5 minus x less than 2x plus 11 less than 26 minus x. Yes, Baumia.
-2 less than x less than 5.
Yes, that's correct. Okay. So PRESBY SHS, your answer was exercise that -1 less than x less than 3. PRESBY SHS SUHUM. What is the function of pollen tube in flowering plants? The function of pollen tube in flowering plants. Yes, Chrysler.
Okay, so the pollen tube is a pathway through which the male gametes, which is the pollen grains, moves in order to fuse with the ovule, which is the embryo of the flower.
Yes, that's correct. MFANTSIPIM, name the part of the ovule of flowers in which the pollen tube enters the ovule. The ovule. Name the part of the ovule of flowers in which the pollen tube enters the ovule. Yes, Lawrence.
The micropore.
That's correct. TECHIMAN SHS. Name the special cellular thickening at the micropylar tip of the synergids, which plays an important role in guiding the pollen tube into the synergid. The special cellular thickening at the micropylar end of synergids that guides the pollen tube. Yes, Baumia.
The endospore.
The answer is not coming.
The endospore.
Come again.
Endospore.
No, it's not endospore. A bonus. Okay, it's a filiform apparatus. Filiform apparatus. PRESBY SHS SUHUM. The empirical formula of a compound is CH2O. Determine the molecular formula of the compound if its molecular mass is 240 gram per mole. C is 12, O is 16, H is 1.0. Yes, Chrysler.
The molecular formula is C8H16O 8.
That's correct. MFANTSIPIM, a hydrocarbon has an empirical formula of C2H5. In an experiment, 0.20 mole of the hydrocarbon was found to contain a mass of 29 grams. Determine the molecular formula of the compound. C is 12, H is 1.0. Okay, Lawrence.
C10, H25.
Yes, that's correct. TECHIMAN SHS. An organic compound has the formula CXH8O4. So C subscript X, H8, and then O4. If 0.25 mole of the compound has a mass of 33.0 grams, determine the number of carbons per formula unit of the molecule. C is 12, O is 16, H is 1.0. Yes, Baumia.
The number of carbon atoms is 5.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 1.
Let us tell you the truth, it's not the magic that make a dream come true. It makes you achieve, but it's your hard work and your persistence. That's the way you will succeed. Dream the big goal, get up and do the road. But it's a long way to go. Whoa, Vitamin will help you walk the extra mile. If you don't have enough energy when you find yourself lost and weary, don't worry. Vitamin will boost you up with goodness. If your stomach is empty, eat up, come on. Eat up, come on. We wanna see you happy. Let us be your fill. Let us be your strength. Let us be your friend.
This advert is FDA approved.
Dad, including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Banana.
Banana?
Okay, Dad. Including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, and coconut. What is the 5th one?
Strawberry.
No.
Are you feeling hot?
Honey, including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: strawberry, banana, chocomalt, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Chocomalt? Hey! Coconut!
Hey!
Nutritious and refreshing, Cowbell has a flavor for everyone.
They think I don't know.
This advert is FDA approved.
Yasimu samdaso, abraye boy anye hustle, esu still only move.
Ano kwariya simen samodoso, abraye boyo. Enterprise alive and see we are moving, we are cruising.
This is how it feels like to have Enterprise Life in your corner. They give solutions that make life easy every day. So now I can focus on my dreams.
Missy Moko to Kumitibia, Enterprise Life, when she share more. I don't know. Yeah, who do you move?
Live your best life with Enterprise Life with life solutions like Bloom, Family Income Security Plan, Boafopa, Yedie, Funeral Finance Plan Unlimited, and Annuity Prime.
Dream big with us. Enterprise, your advantage.
In fact, me need to cry. Me washroom now, they be an actual, then 1 month every week, then 2 3 times my friend number, no pay na so.
No problem. I'll make sure I solve the WhatsApp for work. Where's the washroom?
At your house.
They check outside. But they have to change their toilet room. That is the problem. Madam, the problem has been solved. 18 you should fake test toilet room. A very soft, hygienic, organic.
Tells a story about you and who you are. Now, your story is not complete without King's Group of Companies, the home of all kinds of quality furniture for your modern home, office and institutional furnishing. See King's Group of Companies. We have domestic and imported modern furniture to match your budget and taste. Estate developers, homeowners, see King's Furniture for your modern home furnishing to match your interior. Our kitchens, wardrobes and all your wood decoration works are top notch. Visit our 2,000 square foot showroom in Accra off Golf Course, Gimpa Road, adjacent Kiseman, Melcom, and in Takrady around Pipe and No Traffic Light, close to TTU. For more details, please call 0208 257 830, 0501 505 500, and 0501 332 330. Visit our website www.kingsgroup.com.gh. Our social media handles: Instagram kings.group1, Facebook Kings Group of Companies at Furniture Company. Kings Group, set a standard.
Dream big.
I have built and I have not even moved into. The roofing that was installed less than a year ago has already faded.
I recommended DBS Industries to you, but you said that already asked your nephew to take care of it. DBS Industries has introduced a new roofing system known as ColorLink Plus.
So you mean all these beautifully roofed houses were done by DBS Industries? Let's go to DBS Industries. My brother, I understand DBS Industries has installed roofing system that does not fade after installation.
Sir, it's true. It's ColorLink Plus.
Okay, so before the scores, there's a protest here I would like to address. So I asked PRESBY SHS SUHUM about the compound inequality. So they gave me the answer as x greater than -1 and x less than 3. And I said the answer is -1 less than x less than 3, but they are one and the same, so they can have that mark. Okay. I also asked MFANTSIPIM the stage at which pairing of homologous chromosomes happened. This is what I had. I had Prophase 1, and so I gave them partial mark. But the school has come to say they said Prophase 1 and Prophase 2. And the producer has actually checked and they said that, so that cannot be right. So I'll take that mark back.
This is a house that I have built and I have not even moved into. The roofing that was installed less than a year ago has already faded.
I recommended DBS Industries to you, but you said that already asked your nephew to take care of it. DBS Industries has introduced a new roofing system known as ColorLink Plus.
So you mean all these beautifully roofed houses were done by DBS Industries? Let's go to DBS Industries. My brother, I understand DBS Industries has installed roofing system that does not fade after installation.
Sir, it's true. It's ColorLink Plus. It is a special roofing system that DBS has imported from Europe. When installed, it does not fade. And due to the faith we have in them, we give our clients a 20-year warranty.
20 years warranty? Look, my house was roofed by a certain company. The sheets have completely faded. If DBS has this unique roofing system, then please uninstall the old one. If it means spending twice on a durable material, it's worth it.
It also leaves your room very cool.
Bro, I will always take you serious. Then I'm more trust me, sir. Malaria drew Lumi trust no. And nam a ye juman kasa.
Enti sa Lumi trust wo wa etumi malaria say.
Me ka kire mu say Lumi trust Forte. And ni Lumi trust DS. Ye yem penifo de. And na Lumi trust suspension. Ye yem ofra de wo ho de. Se mo koye test na malaria wo mu a. Mo hu. Enu an se mo ko pe bi ato. After 3 days nu a won fa nwie no. Na ho ato.
Lumi trust Forte. Ene mo fra de Lumi trust suspension.
We can trust it. Lumi trust. Ewo pharmacies ni licensed chemical shops. Mo pedodo a Monfre Pharma Trust Limited. Ana Monfre 0561 088 666. Ana 0561 088 663. Lumi Trust.
An effective anti-malaria you can trust. FDA ashoshe sa ejedi enkrato imu ajatum se eye.
Yeah, you know I don't joke with my rice meals. Very soon you will be married to Ekwesi. And I want you guys to eat healthy. So I'm giving you these Zoe Jasmine rice. And then Zion long grain perfumed rice. Oh, they are very good.
Zoe and Zion rice are both delicious. It requires less water and less cooking time. You can use Zoe and Zion rice for all your rice meals. Zoe and Zion rice. Every grain is filled with love and goodness.
Every grain is filled with love and goodness.
This advert is FDA approved.
At the end of the first round, the scores are TECHIMAN Senior High School 14 points, MFANTSIPIM School 19 points, PRESBY Senior High School SUHUM 20 points, Round 2. Round 2 is the speed race. Here, each question is open to all 3 schools at the same time. If you have an answer, you ring your bell. And if you ring your bell, it means you have an answer, so you speak immediately. Don't read back the question to me. Don't start forming sentences. Don't waste time. If you waste time, what I consider, in my opinion, wasting time, I would move on to the school that has rang their bell. If you are the first school, you answer correctly without wasting time. And I'm deliberately emphasizing this. You get 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, the second school can answer. They will get 2 points if they answer correctly. If the second answer is incorrect, the last school can answer, but for a point. At any time, if your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty of 1. First question. Which polymer of glucose is stored by animals? TECHIMAN.
Glycogen.
That's correct. What name is given to the type of sexual reproduction in protists where TECHIMAN?
Conjugation.
No. Where true gametes are not formed, but two mature individuals fuse together to form a zygote. PRESBY SHS. Answer.
Sporulation.
No. MFANTSIPIM, you don't want. Okay. The answer is halogamy. Okay, our next question. What is the function of the iris?
The iris regulates the amount of light entering the eye through the pupil. Thus, it controls the size of the pupil.
That's correct. Find the solution set of the cubic inequality. The expression x plus 1 multiplies the expression x minus 1 multiplies the expression x minus 2 greater than. Okay, MFANTSIPIM. Answer.
X is such that x is greater than 1, x is less than -1, or x is greater than 2.
Please repeat that answer.
X is such that x is greater than 1, or x is greater than 2, or x is less than -1.
Repeat it.
X is such that x is greater than 2, or x is greater than 1, or x is less than.
No. Anybody else wrong? Oh, okay, please go ahead. TECHIMAN.
The solution set is x is such that x is less than 1, or x is less than 2, or x is greater than -1.
No. Greater than 0. Sorry. Okay. PRESBY.
The solution set is such that x is less than -1, or x is greater than 1.
No. Okay, so it says x is greater than 1, x is less than -1, x is greater than 2. Evaluate 21 cube minus 20 cube. Yes, MFANTSIPIM.
41.
No. Who else rang? Oh, PRESBY, answer.
$69.
No. TECHIMAN. Yes.
1,681.
No. It's 1,261. Find an expression for the general term UN of the sequence 1, 9, 25. Okay, MFANTSIPIM.
UN is equal to.
Go ahead.
Is equal to.
Okay.
1
Yeah.
plus n all squared.
No, TECHIMAN.
UN is equal to 9 raised to the power the expression n minus 1.
No. PRESBY. Okay, you haven't rang your bell. Okay, UN equals the expression 2n minus 1 squared. The current in a 16 millihenry inductor is 2 amperes, and it's changing at the rate of 10 amperes per second. Find the instantaneous energy in the inductor. PRESBY SHS.
32 millijoules.
That's correct. A 40 Newton object slides down a plane inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal with a constant speed. Find the magnitude of the force of kinetic friction on the object. PRESBY SHS.
20 newtons.
That is correct. A potential divider is made up of a 40 ohm resistor and a 60 ohm resistor. Find the voltage across the 60 ohm resistor when the voltage across the 40 ohm resistor is 40 volts. Techiman. Yes. Baumia, yes.
26.7 volts.
No. Who rang the bell next? MFANTSIPIM.
60 volts.
That's correct. After 90 minutes, 2.80 grams of a radioisotope remains. Given its half-life of 18 minutes, how many grams of radionuclide was originally? Techiman.
32 times 2.8. Okay, it is 32 times 2. Have it to be equal to
Okay, who rang the bell?
800.
No. Yeah. Yes, MFANTSIPIM. Yes, MFANTSIPIM.
89.6 grams.
That's correct. Determine the sum of the coefficient of all reactants and products in a balanced equation of the reaction O2 plus C4H10 gives H2O plus C2. Yes, MFANTSIPIM. Yes, MFANTSIPIM.
13.
No. Yes, Techiman.
21.
That's correct. What mass of nitrogen is present in 7.22 times 10 to the power 23 molecules of N2 gas? N equals 14.0, L equals 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Yes, MFANTSIPIM. MFANTSIPIM. Yes, Ronald, go ahead.
16.8 grams.
No. Who rang the bell? Techiman.
0.6. How many? 0.600 grams.
No. Okay, 33.6 grams. And that brings us to the end of round 2.
Awurade your humble servant kwakwa do maba. Na tight no so cry nti ne hu ntwa. So da bejime. Matthew 7:7. Wo see misa na de be mayen. Papa, to go me so. 2020 was a very tough year. 2021 there. Mafia. First me togo ba. Gary kitwe bi. Se the concrete ankasa and the me digo me yem. Papa, me nim system ni mo aye den. Has me nim so de betimi aye me kama. Aja me ampa me de me yem ato. Show me a miracle.
It's showering cash with a grand prize of 100,000 Ghana cedis in the Airtel Tigo Tugumisu promo. Top up, do so much more on Airtel Tigo and earn points to win lots of cash. Dial star 500 hash and recharge 5 Ghana cedis to also win data and call minutes. Get Airtel Tigo.
Airtel Tigo no, my dear biom.
At the end of round 2, here are the scores. TECHIMAN Senior High School, 15 points. MFANTSIPIM School, 18 points. PRESBY SHS, SUHUM, 23 points. Round 3. Round 3 is the problem of the day. Here, a common problem is presented to all 3 schools at the same time, and they are to give a solution on the screen in 4 minutes. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. In this round, if you answer and get 10 points, that is the total marks, you win what we call the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star. So when the bell goes for you to start work, after 4 minutes, another bell will go, you take your seat, I'll come to the board, assess what you've done, award some marks, and then when I come back to my seat, I will explain the solution and also explain how I awarded the marks. Like I said, at stake is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star, and it goes to the school that will earn the perfect score. Okay, so all the best to you. Flip your script. Let's read the problem of the day together. 2 objects, A and B, moving toward each other along the straight line. Along the same straight line, undergo a perfectly elastic collision. The mass of A is 2 kilograms, the mass of B is 3 kilograms. The initial velocity of A is 4 meters per second, and the initial velocity of B is minus 6 meters per second. 1, find the change in linear momentum of each object. And 2, find the change in kinetic energy of each object. Start work. Okay, take your seats. Have assessed it. Before I let on the marks that was awarded, I'll go through the solution as has been presented by the consultant. So this problem of the day from physics, they were given that two objects A and B moving towards each other along the straight line undergo a perfect collision. The mass of A is 2 kilograms, mass of B is 3. The initial velocities of A and B given respectively as 4 meters per second and -6 meters per second. They were to find the change in linear momentum of each object and to find the change in kinetic energy of each object. So, to the solution, by conservation of linear momentum and conservation of kinetic energy taken together, you obtain a formula that will say V of A equals, so MA minus MB multiplying U plus 2MBUB over the masses MA plus B. And then V of B equals, similarly, MB minus MAUB plus 2MAUA. Then this divides MA plus B. The change in linear momentum of object A equals the mass, so MA multiplying VA minus UA. When you substitute the expression for VA and you put in the values, you would come to 24 kilograms per meters per second. The change in linear momentum of the other object is by the conservation of linear momentum equal and opposite. So that will be 24 kilogram meters per second. I'm sorry, the change in linear momentum of A is minus 24 kilogram meters per second. So because it's equal and opposite, it becomes plus 24 kilogram meters per second. So at this point, I would give you 6 marks. And from here, it's also easy to show that the change in kinetic energy will be the change in kinetic energy of A will be the change in linear momentum of A multiplying MA UA plus MB UB over MA plus MB. This will give you 48 joules. Then conservation of energy gives the change in kinetic energy of B also as minus 48 joules. And this would give you 4 marks to make the 10. So from the solutions from the school, I'm not sure which angle they were going from, but I was waiting to see if I could make sense of what they were writing. But unfortunately, so I'll start with a solution from TECHIMAN. Yeah, so there was no sense of the conservation of linear momentum or conservation of kinetic energy. I couldn't make sense of the formulae. I knew they were trying to calculate the linear momentum of each object. So they are done for A and for B. And so I'll give them 2 points for TECHIMAN. The solution from MFANTSIPIM, same. They're also calculated for the 2, and they were solving some simultaneous equations somewhere I couldn't make sense of. They would have 2. The solution from PRESBY Senior High School, same. They also would have 2. That brings us to the end of round 2.
Let us tell you the truth, it's not the magic that make your dream come true. It makes you achieve, but it's your hard work and your persistence. That's the way you will succeed. Dream the big goal, get up and do the road. But it's a long way to go. Whoa, Vitamin will help you walk the extra mile. If you don't have enough energy when you find yourself lost and weary, don't worry. Vitamin will boost you up with goodness. If your stomach is empty, eat up, come on. Eat up, come on. We wanna see you happy. Let us be your fill. Let us be your strength. Vitamin, let us be your friend.
This advert is FDA.
Dad, including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Banana.
Banana?
Okay, Dad. Including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, and coconut. What is the 5th one?
Strawberry.
No.
Are you feeling hot?
Honey, including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: strawberry, banana, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Chocomalt? Hey! Coconut!
Hey! Nutritious and refreshing, Cowbell has a flavor for everyone.
They think I don't know.
Cowbell, our milk. This advert is FDA approved.
Some doso, a bright boy and your hustle, and so still only move.
I know PRESBY SHS, a bright boy, enterprise alive and see we are moving, we are cruising.
This is how it feels like to have enterprise life in your corner. They give solutions that make life easy every day. So now I can focus on my dreams.
Miss Moko to Kumitibia. Enterprise life wa when she share more. I don't know. Yeah, who do you move?
Live your best life with Enterprise Life with life solutions like Bloom, Family Income Security Plan, Boafopa, Yedie, Funeral Finance Plan Unlimited, and Annuity Prime.
Dream big with us. Enterprise, your advantage.
In fact, me need to cry. Me washing now. They be an actual. Then 1 month every week. Then 2-3 times. My friend no man. What pay na church.
No problem. I'll make sure I solve it once and for all. Okay. Where's the washroom?
Achawa has
They check outside. But they have to change their toilet room. That is the problem. Madam, the problem has been solved.